As most of you know, I've been to Sturgis many times. Well, this is another series of my Sturgis videos coming up now. This series is going to be titled Sturgis 2019. So, check them all out. Thanks for following. I'm okay. Yeah, it'd be me.
What's going on, man?
I'm going to go film Main Street, but we'll film you first. Let me see if I can shut this thing off. Well, let's just leave it run, and I'll talk to you.
I love your channel, man.
Yeah, what's your name?
Rich.
Rich? Where are you
Yeah,
from?
We're from Firestone, just north of Denver.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
What are you riding?
It's 2012 Dyna Fat Bob 103.
Yeah? Let me shut this noisy thing off. Yeah, there's a storm coming in, so I thought I better get down here and film this thing.
Yeah, we just had a little bit of rain coming back from Deadwood.
Uh-huh.
But heck yeah, man. I always look for you every time I come here, too.
Well, you
Get a
film me.
photo.
You want to get a photo?
Heck yeah.
Let me just go and shut this thing off. I lost one today. I filmed a whole bunch of crap and it quit. It was sure nice to meet those folks. It's been nice to meet all of you. I'm going to give you a little talk through here on some of this video. Now, when you're coming into Sturgis, they got a little road that says this way to Main Street. Well, this is Main Street here, but it don't get busy till you get down here a few blocks. As you can see, it's getting busier and busier as we go along. Now, next year, it wouldn't surprise me to see these bikes parked all the way up to the end. You can go off to your left here. That's where about a block over is where all of the, like JP Cycles, all those places like that are there. It's Lozelle Street. You can head over there and check stuff out if you need to park this far away, which I think you might have to. Some of these people are apparently visiting their shops along here too. There's your little green phone booths. Okay, let's get to the video. Where's the GoPro? Oh, up there! Cool! I'm glad. I couldn't find it. I knew it was somewhere. Let me tell you a little something about those green buildings we just passed. Don't ever go in them at night without a flashlight. There are some gross people and drunk people that will do ungodly things in those. And we've got pictures to prove that from a few years ago. So take your flashlight before you go in one of those and check it out, that's for sure. You know what? Yeah, just trust me. Okay, there's music in the background, and you know I gotta cut that out, but I will cut it out so that you don't miss much of the action. When I'm following people through here, you know, they stop and they go. And if I hear music, I'm gonna have to delete that, or I'm gonna get YouTube spanking me. And they already have in plenty of my videos. Even though I did my best to cut music and boobs out, they still got me. Next year is the 80th. You won't find parking places like this going down Main Street. As you've seen in the other videos, we were able to find places to park, even though there was 4 of us. We all parked alongside each other. That ain't gonna happen next year. Don't even expect it. These lines here at the stop sign will probably be a quarter of a block long. There won't be no pulling up and having 2 or 3 bikes in front of you. No, that won't be that way next year. Trust me again. Of the bikers down there are very courteous. Nobody's there for a bad time. We all want to have a good time. We don't want those guys right there on the left bothering us. We don't want to be inconsiderate to other bikers either. So you won't have a problem with that. You can see that brick building down there on your right. Just past that is the VFW Hall. That used to be a good place to eat. But the last few years they've leased it out to another company, and the food is expensive, the drinks are expensive, and the food is not good. So we don't go there no more. It used to be they kept the prices just as normal. Well, we're back to the start of the loop here. This is where it gets busy. Right across the road to your left there, that brick building. You don't want to go there. That's the police department. They're not nice to you in there. They'll take your money.
Go ahead.
That's going to be it for me. Storm's coming in and no reason for me to sit down here. I'm done with Sturgis 2019. Hope you enjoyed all these videos I'm putting on here. I did it for you guys.